Hello everyone, welcome back for another video, and today we're taking a look at this brush. It is a brush with pig hair, so it is a plastic brush with pig hair. Yes, I got it from AliExpress, and the set of the two is €3.50, so it is very cheap. It is not that hard, so it won't damage your painted wheels. So it is a very safe brush, but it will clean. It is also very good for low profile tires, and to can really get it into the small areas of the tire. So now I will show you guys the effects of the brush. So just make it wet. This is super degreaser from Meguiar's. Spray some on, spray some on the tire. And you can see the dirt coming off. These are painted wheels, so it won't scratch them. But you can really see the dirt coming out. It gives you a very good control, and you can see the dirt. So very good brush. So again, you can see it isn't that brown anymore, so the brush did take a lot of the dirt from the tire out, and that's what you are searching for in a brush, that it cleans perfectly. So I will put a link to the product down below, so you guys can find it yourself, or buy it yourself, or check it out. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.